Hey guys, welcome to lesson 19. Lesson 19 is going to talk about phones. Phones. Are you interested in phones? Do you like phones? ونعرف كلمات جديدة عن تليفونات expressions وكمان محادثات. Let's go. So first off, we're going to start with vocabulary. Vocabulary, right? Telephone. Telephone. Dial. Dial. Like call. Dial 111. Okay? Or 911. So يقول لك في الكلام call دلوقتي بيقول لك call or dial 911 بوليس النجدة اوكي في افلام الاجنبي او في امريكا 911 so call 911 or dial 911 اللي هو نفس الverb يتصل call or dial good call back can you call back me can you call me back later can you call me back later please pick up the phone رد على المكالمة I need to pick up the phone need to answer the phone make a call voicemail voice machine wireless emergency prank call do you make prank calls to your friends answer me in the comments telemarketers أنت بتوصل بيك تمام تحط بالك حاجة على التليفون واسمها cold calling screen touch screen بقى ولا معاك تليفون زراير communicate with people smartphone caller ID true caller كده فبيبين الcaller ID هوية المتصل contact directory ده بتاع القديم بقى دليل الهاتف بقى اللي كان تكتبوا فيه العنوان والاسم والرقم التليفون وكل حاجة اسمها directory text message telephone set اللي هي العدة نفسها بتاع التليفون features every cell phone has features كل تليفون وليه طبعا الإمكانيات بتاعته اسمها features instant message يعني رسالة فورية messaging head hang up the phone تمام missed call كلمة فائتة ear area code اللي هو كود المنطقة ring give me a ring اديني رنة لما توصل give me a ring when you arrive country دولة country code اللي هو كود الدولة area code كود المنطقة waiting أو hold أحطك على hold you are on hold or you are on waiting put a call through يمرر المكالمة لحد تاني put a call through okay دي كلمات متعلقة بالفون alright let's get to the expressions hold the phone please hold the phone يعني امسك التليفون كده أو انتظر على التليفون لحظة hold the phone please can I speak to كلمة طبعا بتعمل مكالمة ف the phone is ringing and then can I call to Mohamed please can I call to Elsammad please can I leave a message ما لقيتش حد في البيت او شخص انت عاوز توصل له رساله فبالتالي بتقول له can I leave a message ممكن اسيب له رساله get on the phone هيها pick up the phone get on the phone man اتصل بحد مش راضي يرد get on the phone please come on can I take a message ممكن انت بقى او حد بيتصل باخوك مثلا او اختك فبالتالي هو مش موجود فتقول له can I take a message ممكن اخد رساله اوصلها له answer the phone get on the phone pick up the phone the same meanings okay dial this number please so call this number dial call 911 اتصل بالنجدة يبقى call 911 dial the phone number يعني call okay great طيب برضو communicate verb communicate عشان نتواصل مع حد ناخد تمام في كمان expression اسمه get in touch okay ف you can say I get in touch with my friends by phone عن طريق التليفون I get in touch with my friends by phone يبقى I get in touch with يعني communicate يعني أتواصل get in touch with my friends I get in touch with my family I get in touch with my girlfriend boyfriend but I get in touch with يعني I communicate with friends family by phone طريق التليفون Okay. طيب another question for you guys, answer me in the comments. جاوبوني في الكومنتات. Do you prefer calling or texting? Do you prefer calling or texting? So answer me in the comments بالإجابة. Okay. طيب let's get to the reading part. Let's get to the reading part. ركز معايا بقى واسمع كويس. Once upon a time, Sarah is using her smartphone to communicate with her friends. She loves the features it offers, especially caller ID. When she is dialing a friend's number, she receives a call back from an unknown number. She's curious about who it could be. Meanwhile, John is making a prank call and giggles as he imagines the reaction on the other end of the line. The ring echoes in his ear. He knows someone picks up when the sound stops. Sharon answers and hears silence at first. Then a disguised voice speaks. She listens but recognizes John's voice instantly. They often make prank calls to each other. Telemarketers are busy in their office. Phones ring continuously as they dial numbers from their directory. They are always waiting for someone to pick up so they can start their script. Back to Sarah and John. Laughter fills the air as she calls him out on his prank call attempt. They talk about their day and share instant messages filled with emojis and text messages later on. Their smartphones are like an extension of themselves, tools that allow them to dial friends instantly or screen unwanted calls like those from persistent telemarketers. اوكي طيب عندنا كلمات جديدة زي unknown number رقم مجهول أو غير معروف curious فضولي giggles هو laugh بس in a silly way like that ضحكة صفراء تسوي laughter ضحك disguised convincing مقنع disguised voice صوت مقنع recognize تعرف على extension امتداد لحاجة اوكي طيب again once upon a time لما تيجي تحكي حكاية تقول يا كان يا مكان هي دي كان يا مكان once upon a time. So once upon a time Sarah is using her smartphone to communicate with her friends. طبعا استخدمنا هنا grammar present continuous مضارع مستمر عشان تطبقه في السبيكنج بتاعك والريدنج بتاعك. يبقى Sarah is using her phone to communicate to get in touch with her friends. She loves the features it offers إمكانيات اللي بيعرضها especially caller ID لو في كمان caller ID بيعرف هوية المتصل اللي بيتصل بيها. While she's dialing a friend's number, calling a friend's number, she receives a call back from an unknown number. تمام حد كلمها call back from an unknown number. She's curious about who it could be, right? So she is interested to know about who could it be. Meanwhile, John is making a prank call and giggles, right? So John بيعمل بقى مقلب and giggles, right? ضحكة سخيفة كده as he imagines the reactions on the other end of the line. The ring echoes عمل صدى صوت in his ear. The ring رنة إيه؟ عمل صدى صوت echoes in his ear. He knows someone picks up when the sound stops. بعرف بقى إن إيه حد رد. Someone answers when the sound stops. Sarah answers and hears silence at first. Then a disguised voice speaks. Recognize the voice. هي بقى عرفته. الصوت بقى معروف. اتكلم. She listens but recognizes John's voice instantly. Like immediately. عرفت الايه ان ده صوت John. They often make prank calls to each other. بيعملوا مقالب على بعض. Telemarketers are busy in their office. Phones ring continuously. استمرار. And they dial numbers from their directory دليل الهدف بتاعهم. They are always waiting for someone to pick up to answer so they can start their script. السكريبت اللي بيستخدموه في الايه الحاجة اللي عاوزين يبيعوها طبعا. Back to Sarah and John. Laughter fills the air, right? So الضحك طبعا ملأ المكان. So as she calls him out on his prank called attempt, right? Calls him out expression يعني ان هي ايه لا عرفتك يعني اللي انا قفشتك. She calls him out on his prank call attempt يعني محاولة المقلب اللي كانوا بيعملوا. They talk about their day and share instant messages filled with emojis and text messages later on. Their smartphones are like an extension of themselves. كامتداد بالظبط كده لبعض. tools that allow them to dial friends instantly فورا طبعا بيكلموا أصحابهم or screen unwanted calls like those from persistent telemarketers. Okay. ما يتعرفوا طبعا على مكالمات اللي هم مش عاوزينها like those from persistent telemarketers persistent اللي هم المثابرين right persistent مستمرين طبعا ان هم يكلموهم طول الوقت. Okay. That's perfect. So ادي كده reading part في كل الكلمات اللي احنا خدناها فوق عشان نتعلمها. نيجي بقى لجرامر تاني وركز على ال present simple و present continuous تاني نرجع عليهم اهو. احنا هنا في reading part plus استخدمت present simple present continuous في ال reading. تمام اللي صارت بتعمل حاجة وشون اصلا بيحب يعمل الحاجة دي دايما. So present simple احنا قلنا it talks about actions a person does as a habit or fact. حقيقة عن نفسي I speak English أو habit I love running every day. Present continuous points out that the use about actions are happening right now. Actions are happening right now أو period around now of وقت يعني الأسبوع ده مثلا أو الأيام اللي احنا فيها دي. What are you doing nowadays? I'm studying English. I am learning something new and so on. Let's see the questions. تمام وتعال نجاوب. Do you have enough free time? Yes, I do. اسكت على كده لا قول بقى انا بعمل ايه في free time. I have a lot of free time. I like to read, work out, and chill at home in my free time. Okay, so do you have a lot of free time? Yes, I do. So what do you like to do in your free time? I like reading, or I like to read, work out, and chill at home. What are some good habits that you have? What are your good habits? What are your good habits, or what are some good habits that you have? You can say, I read a lot. This is a good habit. I don't smoke. This is a good fact or a good habit as well. بالنفي بقى I don't smoke. But this is a good habit. اللي انت ما تدخنش. Okay. I work out all the time. مرن exercise طول الوقت. دي حاجة كويسة. I don't speak much. ما بتكلمش كتير. ممكن برضو تقول I am not talkative. استخدم الصفة. I am not talkative. أنا مش ثرثار. ما بتكلمش كتير. ما بحبش الرغي كتير. فده برضو good habit. أيوة good habit. So tell me guys, are you talkative or not? Tell me in the comments. طيب, what are some good things do you do every day? Some good things. I wake up early, or you can say I am an early bird. I wake up early. Okay, so I'm an early bird. أصحى بدري. تمام ده مصطلح idiom. What else? You can say I have a healthy breakfast. I read a magazine, for example. I work hard and be productive. بحب الإنتاجية. بحب أكون منتج. Be productive. منتج. شخص إنتاجي. شخص عملي. I am practical. شخص عملي. I am practical. Okay, so some things that you do every day. So you can say I eat, I drink, I sleep. I can say I sleep well. Okay, دي برضو the thing that you do every day. I have a healthy breakfast. I read a magazine. I work hard and be productive and practical. I sleep early. And I'm بدري. Oh, like that. Alright, do you have any bad habits? اتكلمنا عن good habits. Do you have any bad habits? Yes, I do. I smoke. I eat junk food. أكل أكل غير صحي. ده طبعا كلمات بقى اللي في الفود والريستورانتس خدناها في الوحدة دي تستخدمها هنا. I eat junk food. I don't work out. ما بتمرنش. I am a couch potato. كسول. Couch potato. Right? كل دي bad habits. Okay, so you should change your bad habits and, you know, like practice good habits. Practice good habits, guys. Tell me about your schedule next week. Well, هنا بقى هنستخدم present continuous مش هنستخدم present مش هنستخدم future هنا. Tell me about your schedule next week. فأنا already مخطط له بقى أو محضر له already الschedule ده فبستخدم المضارع المستمر present continuous. Okay? So I'm gonna say I am meeting a friend for lunch. I am working 5 days. I am going shopping, right? I'm going shopping. I am going to the gym. 3 times in this week. يبقى أنا الأسبوع الجاي أنا مخطط إن أنا أعمل إيه؟ هقابل صاحبي على الغدا. I'm working 5 days. هشتغل 5 أيام. I'm going shopping. هعمل shopping وهتسوق. I am going to the gym 3 times. وكمان هروح الجيم 3 مرات في الأسبوع. مش لازم 3 times a week لأن أنا عارف إن أنا already سألتك عن next week فمش لازم أقول a week هنا. I'm going to the gym 3 times. Okay. إيه تاني؟ I am going to the movies. هروح السينما كمان. Okay, I'm going to the movies. بينما أنا هروح أهوت ولكن بستخدم هنا المضارع المستمر عشان ده action متحضر له prepared already in advance. Future plan. ده future plan بستخدم فيه عشان ده near future. خلاص next week ده ممكن يكون كمان يومين. فأنا already محضر له ومخطط له كل حاجة بستخدم المضارع المستمر هنا في الحالة دي. أوكي؟ ده ما خدنا كده الدرس اللي فات. خلاص يبقى أنا كده practiced على ال present simple وال present continuous. بقدر أتكلم وأقدر أعمل محادثة في المضارع البسيط والمضارع المستمر واستخدمهم في كلامي، استخدمهم في الوقت ده بحالي الوقت ده. بتكلم في المضارع الايه المستمر. I am going, I'm eating, I'm sleeping, I'm walking and so on. و facts و habits بتكلم فيها في المضارع المستمر وتكوينه already عرفناه do و don't و does و doesn't. اوكي والفعل بدون اضافات انا بتكلم عن نفسي. I have a lot of free time. I like reading, I like walking, I sleep, I eat, I cook, I clean وهكذا. اوكي كل الافعال اللي احنا خدناها. خلاص. It sounds like some good things about